Hey YouTubers, welcome again to my channel, and this screen is here. Today we will discover this button and the whole screen with it, and this is a new one for us. So I am just going to use the package. Package name is Slidable button in Flutter. Okay, this button is quite different with my requirements, so I am just going to going with this button, slidable button. You can see it's slidable button Flutter package pub.def. Definitely this button is quite similar with my requirement, so I am using this button and I'm just copying the command line and put it here and just run it. Power spec, you can see this package has been added. Okay, so I am just put the import and just use it. I am just going to do import and readme file. I'm just seeing that how to use it. Okay, so copy the container and paste it here, and you can see this two containers are similar, and I am just removing the card section because the background of this container I will require. Okay, so I am just going to here, and we are just putting this section, horizontal section. Okay, so declaring the results and just printing it to know about what's the button is printing and what's the functionality of the button. Okay, so I'm just copy it here and same just paste it. If you restart the application, you can see your button is appearing. You can see this button is appearing. Now just go you can see this button is states is working. If a statement is working, button is on the right side. Okay, so I'm just going to the styling and put the color, and color is this is a hexa code. So I'm in the Flutter, we are just going color 0xff, then your code of the color 0xff, and then paste the color code. Okay, so expected to identify and comma, you can see this color has been changed. So in my scenario, this text is not useful for us, so I am just removing it from it and okay, constant because okay, in my scenario our text is in a center, so I am just put this in center and just copy it here, copy from here and paste it here. Okay, you can see this is the left corner, so I am just padding wrap in the container, sorry, remove the row, and you can see this is in a center, and just copy the color code from it and paste the styling text color text style, and then colors 0xff, and then paste your hexa code. Okay, you can see this color is similar into the my design from my designs. Okay, so put the font size is 14, font size font weight is bold, and just style the button which has the arrow and the and a board and a rounded border. So I am just to copy the color code from here and just put the constant, because this is giving me a warning to put the constant here. Okay, so color code, copying color code here and put the colors. Okay, button color brackets 0xff, then paste the color code. Okay, so I'm just refresh it and you can see the result you have mentioned. you are seeing. Okay, so I am just put the I have in my requirements, I don't need the text, I need an arrow button, forward arrow button. So backward, I just try the backward button. No, it's a forward button. Okay, so I am just removing it, and forward button, and button color is not a black, so I'm just put it here the white color. Okay, this is not a button color, I think so. Yeah, this is the this is the right color. Sorry. Okay, so color bracket 0xFF, then paste the color code. You can see this color has matched with the design. This has been slidable button, and now you can see the height of the button is not a similar, so I am just put the height of this button into my container where this button mentioned the height of itself. Okay, so I am just copy this height and paste it here. Okay, so a button width is 75. Let's try 75. 75 is quite similar with my design. Okay, so okay, and you can see the bottom and the upward. From the bottom and from the upward, it has some space. So what we do, we do the minimum height. You can see the height of button is quite similar. Okay, the spacing between the upper spacing between the spacing from the up and bottom is same. So padding insets, I am just padding the swipe to transfer text because it's some gap from the button, so I am just padding. Okay, this is not the right one, so I'm just doing a size box padding from left, and then okay, it's now top, so I'm from the top is 20 is quite similar, and I am just put it here in the pad. Okay, you can see it is very similar to the design. So now I am just removing this print section because I have to navigate the transaction successful page. So I am just copying here the navigation code and just put it here and remove the else states, and I am just not import the transfer 5 screen. I slide it will transfer it. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to Bugs Bunny for more tutorials. Thank you so much.